Hi, it's Laurie from the farm. What is our why? Why do we do the things that we're doing? First of all, I think we're commanded by Scripture to be good stewards of our land, to be good stewards of our time, to be good stewards of our resource. And one of the reasons that we farm the way that we farm and do what we do, offering people opportunity to come and learn as we are learning ourselves, is just to have a better community and grow our community. So here at the farm, besides doing a weekly sourdough micro bakery, which I produce 200 loaves a week, and we sell at a farm stand that I partner with and our oldest daughter. Brian and I, as you can see behind us, we do market gardening. We grow our own food. The majority of it, we hunt and we fish and we raise our own chickens and we gather our own eggs and we harvest our own honey and try to just live a simple lifestyle, preserving our own food, freeze drying our own food, freezing our own food. Why do we do what we do? We want to be good stewards. We want to be good stewards of our time and our land and the resources that God has given us. Also, Brian and I love to learn. So we are book and knowledge junkies. You will find us, if we're not on the farm, at a local used bookstore, or not even local. Some of our vacations just revolve around used bookstores. And we're always wanting to learn. We learned cheese making. We learned sourdough many, many years ago. We've learned farming from the very moment that we were married 34 years ago. We have always kept and grown our garden. First, it was to feed us and our children. Now that our children are grown, it is for variety. I love growing all the different kinds of varieties of heirloom tomatoes and all the flavors and sweetnesses and hotness of a pepper. We love all the different kinds of squash, the winter squash, the summer squash. We love succession planting. I love planting all of the beans. I just planted all of our dry beans that should be ready before our first frost, so we can harvest and can our own beans. So our why is really for our family, our friends, our community, and really for God. We'd like to just glorify Him in how we steward what He has given us and learn the principles of gardening and living off the land for each other. So I hope that gives you a little bit of an introduction to what we do, why we do, how we do is what we'll be sharing in other videos. So come along with us as we take you into rural Missouri just to see what farming is like here.